The star of the birds, the eagle, a very powerful bird known as the eagle bird. Around the world, this bird is known as the symbol of power, strength, wisdom, and justice. Many follows this bird for its wisdom and power. This bird flies countries after countries around the world. This bird flies so high above the earth. This bird flies by itself. It's not afraid of being alone. This is the powerful, wise, the eagle bird, the symbol of United States, the national bird of United States. The eagle bird who can hunt his prey, those are 7 times heavier than its size. This powerful eagle bird known as the messenger of divine for justice, power, wisdom, and strength. This is the great eagle bird. Hi everyone, welcome to my show, Journey of the Spirit. Today I'll be sharing with you a very, very unique, special, powerful bird of the bird kingdom known as the king and the noble bird. I'll be drawing a painting of the noble bird, the eagle, and after that I'm going to share with you a very native Bangladeshi dish, a fish with vegetables, just rice. Nowadays, the native culture is kind of the focus of the world heritage and history. I have studied that most of the native cultures almost have the similar cultural heritage and history, especially if you can see this handmade traditional cloth by the native Bangladeshis. This is one of the designs, the jewelry I'm wearing. This is also the native Bangladeshi. This all symbolize even the Native Americans, the Native Europeans, the Native Hawaiians. All of them are just rooted for only one word that is called the native, the root of this earth, the root of this world. Natives will never die. In one of my poems, I said, we still remember you. Remember how you have done your paintings. Remember how you have shared your stories, how you have shared your art, culture, your clothing, your honesty, your integrity, your language. We will never forget you. Today's my show is a tribute to all the natives of the world, to honor, respect the native cultures of this world, and among those who has fought for this culture, who has become the great warriors, the natives. And because of the natives are so close with this eagle bird, for every native cultures, they are known as the brave bird, the noble bird, the star of the bird. So I'll be dedicated